Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we are going to see how to use keyword insertion inside our Google Ads account. Keyword insertion is one of the features with the help of which you can dynamically insert a keyword inside an ad text, and that changes based on the search query. So with the help of this feature, you will be able to cover a lot of products to advertise with a single ad. So that is the main purpose of using this specific feature. This feature is only applicable on search campaigns, and inside search campaigns, you can only apply this now on expanded text ads. So we'll go inside the account now guys, and we will see how you can use this feature. So once you're logged into your Google Ads account, we'll go to our search campaigns, and in the search campaigns, we are going to look for any campaign in which I've expanded text ads. So I'm going to go into my third campaign, which is online pet store. And as you can see, I'm inside the campaign now. So I'm going to the first ad group, which is pedigree dogs. And on the left panel, just under insights, you have ads and extensions. So here, as you can see, there are two responsive search ads, and then there is expanded text ad. So we can apply this keyword insertion on this particular ad. So in order to apply keyword insertion, guys, we are going to edit the ad, and you get into the ad creation page, and here you can start applying the keyword insertion. So let's see how we can do this. So we can create any kind of headlines for the ad with the keyword insertion feature, and we can apply it on multiple headlines and descriptions as well. So once you start writing the ad, in order to apply a keyword insertion, we need to go with the braces. And when you type the braces, you will find the first option as keyword insertion. And here you can give the default text. Default text is basically a text which will appear on the ad when the user search query does not match with your keywords. So in such a scenario, we can use default text, and you can continue writing your ad. Now you can do the same thing in the second headline as well. In this manner, you can apply in the second headline as well. So now how it is going to work is, when a user comes to Google and searches for red marker pens, if it matches with one of our keywords, then the headline will say, buy red marker pens from us 50% off, best red marker pens in town to buy, variety of red marker pens available here. You can do the same thing in the description part as well. So in this manner, you can write your description, and you can see how the ad is going to appear. So this feature is going to really help when you have multiple products and it takes a lot of time for you to create ads for single products. In such a scenario, you can use this feature, and with one single ad, you will be able to cover multiple products to advertise. I hope everyone was able to understand how to use a keyword insertion inside our text ads. Thank you so much guys for listening into this session today. Have a great day guys.